Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Robo Rally. First, choose a factory board and place it on your table. Each player then selects a robot and its matching player mat and programming deck. For the initial round, deal 9 program cards to each player. Finally, place archive tokens on the designated starting spaces on the board. This sets the stage for an exciting robot race. Now it's time to program your robot. At the beginning of each round, draw 9 program cards. From these, you'll secretly choose 5 cards to dictate your robot's actions. Carefully arrange these 5 cards in the exact order you want your robot to perform its moves. Any program cards you don't use this round are then discarded. This is where your strategy truly begins. Once programmed, robots execute their moves 1 register at a time, from 1st to 5th. Watch out for the dynamic factory floor. Conveyor belts will move your robot, pushers can shove it, and gears will rotate it. At the end of each register, lasers fire, dealing 1 point of damage to any robot in their path. Fortunately, robots can repair damage by ending a register on a wrench space. To win Robo Rally, your robot must touch all checkpoints on the board in numerical order. Be careful, though. If your robot takes 10 or more damage, it is destroyed. When a robot is destroyed, it returns to its last archive marker, losing valuable time. The first player to successfully navigate the hazards and touch every checkpoint in sequence is declared the winner of the race.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.